Section 44 of My Bible History Old Testament by Bishop Morrow. This LibriVox recording is in the public domain. Recording by Maria Therese. Saul, first king of Israel. The Israelites continued to ask Samuel for a king. Samuel prayed God on behalf of the people. Telling Samuel that a man named Saul would arrive, God said, "You must anoint Saul king." That act would be a sign that God had chosen him as king. Soon after, Saul came. Samuel poured oil on his head as God had commanded. Samuel said, "God has anointed you king of the Israelites. You shall rule over them and protect them from their enemies." The Israelites were joyful when they saw Saul. He was strong and handsome and taller than any other man in Israel. In the beginning of Saul's rule, everything went well. God was always with the Israelites and defended them against their enemies. But when he won many victories, Saul became proud of himself and sinned against God. At last God ordered Samuel to tell Saul that he would no longer be king of Israel. God directed Samuel to anoint a young shepherd boy named David. Saul was full of sorrow when he learned that God no longer wanted him to be king of Israel. He spent long hours in unhappy and gloomy thought. One day Saul's servants said, "Let us bring you a man who will play on the harp and cheer you up. Then your gloomy thoughts will be driven away." And they sent for David. Saul did not know that Samuel had anointed David. He made David his armor-bearer and grew to love him as his own son. In the palace, David led a happy life. He would play on his harp every time he saw the king sad. Then Saul would breathe more easily and forget his troubles. David and Jonathan, Saul's son, became the best of friends. All the people grew to love David so much that at last Saul felt jealous. Angry that the people should praise David for his bravery, he finally sought to kill him. The proud man is always punished by God. Pride was the sin of Satan. We must be humble, remembering that we could be nothing without God. End of section 44.